I'm getting ready to rewind a partial roll that I've shot in the Ricoh R1s, and I think this would make a really good video because this is like one of the top, I don't know, cool things that this camera can do. And it's basically it's like it has a leader out function, which means that you can rewind a partial roll or you can rewind a roll and leave the leader of the film out just a little bit. So this way it's easier to extract when you go, like if you're going to develop your own film or for whatever reason, it'll stop and won't rewind it and pull all the film in the canister. It'll leave you a little bit outside. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick how to do that, and go ahead and turn the camera on. On the side here, you're going to see there's the hole. You're going to have a pen to get in there and press it, but the key is instead of pushing it and releasing it, push it and just hold it. Okay, there it is. So we should open the back and we should see that this is not sucked in the canister. Bam, I love it. So anyway, that's kind of an easy tip for this. I wanted to, while I was about to do that, I thought, you know, this is a really good video. You know what I mean? For somebody who has this camera, to know that, that's a good feature to know about. So hope it was helpful. If it was, smash the like button, and we'll catch you next time. See ya.